Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to change password in Gmail on your phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your Gmail password, guys, first open up your Gmail app on your phone, and after opening your Gmail app, guys, make sure you're logged into the account on which you want to change your password. And with that being said, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see there's your profile picture icon available for us. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen and tap on manage a Google account button available for us. Tap on it, and over here, guys, you can see there is the Google password button available for us. Tap on the Google password button over here, and your phone will ask for a verification to your password of your phone or any kind of verification. And after verifying on your phone, guys, you land on this interface where you can directly change your password by typing in your new password, any password, and after that rewrite it over here to confirm your new password and tap on the change password button available for us over here. And with that being done, guys, your password will be changed on Gmail. And there, guys, this is how to change your password on Gmail. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.